first thing you're gonna need is some sort of breading. And tonight, we're gonna use this. This is really good, especially the mild one. It's a little, it has a kick, but it's still like, the kids can still eat it. Andes. Let's turn the oil. Let's go with medium high. And then you're gonna need a egg wash. And of course you're gonna use some bone-in pork chops. As you can see, bone-in, bone right there. Okay, pretty simple. 3 steps. Actually, you know what? Let me do it this way. There we go. Just gonna get a pork chop, put it in our egg whites or egg wash. Don't worry about seasoning that. There's plenty of seasoning in this bag. Wash my hands. I find this technique so much easier because it coats everything. Oh yeah, look at that. So let me show you how it looks like right now. There you go, just deep frying. I'm only gonna do 2 at a time. Alright, so I boiled some potatoes earlier, right before I turn on the camera. Okay, I'm sure you have your way of making potatoes, and I'm just gonna show you how I make it. Pretty basic. I'll smash the crap out of it. Give it a little bit of butter. Butter my potatoes. Let's see, I think it's time to flip it over. Yeah. Yeah. Show you how it looks like. Just got been flipping it over. Look at that. Golden brown. I'd say about 3 to 5 minutes on each side would be appropriate for this meal. Mix it up. And I like pepper in the mashed potatoes. And I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit, not much. Get the mashed potatoes out. You're probably wondering why I don't have this on a napkin. I want the oil to drain off the pork chops. Let me show you. See, I want the oil to drain out. That's why I don't have it sitting on napkins, like a plate of napkin, because then it becomes soggy. But this way, it'll air out and the oil drains out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna serve it to the kids, okay? So let's go with mashed potatoes. So what I have here, mashed potatoes with asparagus. And then what I would do, I'll get one of these beautiful, this one's more beautiful right here. Got the shape. Look at that. And that's how I'd serve it to the kids.